Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun made up of two or more words. For example, foot and ball. If you join them together, they form a new word, that is football. There are three types of compound nouns. They are open compound nouns, hyphenated compound nouns, and closed compound nouns. Open compound nouns means they have the space between the words. Like when you join the word tea and cup together, you form a new word, tea cup, with space between the words. Let's see some examples for open compound nouns. Ice plus cream gives the word ice cream. Hand plus towel, hand towel. Seat plus belt, we get seat belt. Also, you can notice we have the space between the words ice cream, hand towel, and seat belt. So these are open compound nouns. The next is hyphenated compound nouns. Hyphenated compound nouns means the words are separated by a hyphen. For example, when you join the word well with educated, you form a new word well educated separated by a hyphen between them. Let's have a look at some more examples for hyphenated compound nouns. When we add the words good plus looking, we get good looking. Well plus behaved, we get well behaved. Hot plus headed, we get hot headed. Also note, these words are separated by a hyphen between them. These words are called hyphenated compound words. Closed compound nouns. Closed compound nouns means they don't have a space or hyphen between them. For example, sun plus rise forms the compound noun sunrise. Also, you can notice there is no space or hyphen between them. So these are closed compound nouns. Let's see some of the examples. So you can see eye plus ball is eyeball. Snow plus man is snowman. Hair plus cut is haircut. Also, you can notice in these words there is no space or hyphen between them. Test your knowledge. Find the compound nouns in these sentences. Your time starts now. The hand-picked ice cream. High-speed cars. Everywhere. Breakfast. Full moon. I hope your answers matches with mine. You really deserve a star. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to receive more educational videos like this. Thank you. I'm posting these compound nouns for your reference. You can pause the video if you want and have a look at it.